Majestic hunters of the sky, the incredible world of eagles. Host, hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Technical Friends 92. I am Muhammad Sulman and today we are diving into the fascinating world of eagles. These majestic birds of prey have captured the imagination of people around the world for centuries. Join me as we explore the incredible life of eagles from their impressive physical attributes to their crucial role in the ecosystem. Introduction to eagles. Host, before we soar into the depths of the eagle's world, let's start with a brief introduction. Eagles are large birds of prey belonging to the family Coids. They are known for their powerful build, keen eyesight, and strong beaks and talons. Species diversity. Host eagles come in various shapes and sizes, with around 60 different species distributed across the globe, from the iconic bald eagle in North America to the powerful martial eagle in Africa. Each species has unique characteristics that allow them to thrive in their respective environments. Adaptations for flight. Host, one of the most inspiring aspects of eagles is their mastery of the skies. With broad wingspans and strong muscular bodies, eagles are designed for efficient and powerful flight. Their keen eyesight allows them to spot prey from incredible distances, making them exceptional hunters. Hunting techniques. Host, speaking of hunting, eagles are renowned for their impressive hunting techniques, from soaring at great heights to executing precise dives and powerful talent strikes. These birds showcase unparalleled skills when it comes to capturing prey. Let's take a closer look. Let's take a closer look at how eagles hunt and the crucial role they play in maintaining a balanced ecosystem. Conservation challenges. Host, while eagles are apex predators, they face numerous challenges in the modern world. Habitat lost, habitat loss, pollution, and human interference pose significant significant threats to their populations. Conservation efforts are vital to ensuring the continued survival of these magnificent birds. Symbolism and cultural significance. Host, throughout history, eagles have held a special place in the hearts and minds of the people worldwide. They symbolize strength, freedom, and majesty in various cultures, from ancient civilizations to modern societies. Eagles continued to be revered and celebrated. Notable eagle species. Hosts, let's take a moment to highlight some remarkable eagle species, such as the Philippine eagle, with its striking appearance and critically endangered status, or the golden eagle, known for its impressive size and agility. Each species has its own story to tell in the tapestry of the natural world. Conclusion and call to action. Host, as we wrap up our journey into the world of eagles, it's essential to appreciate the beauty and significance of these incredible birds, from their adaptations for flight to their crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Eagles remind us of the delicate balance of nature. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, it's up to all of us to contribute to the conservation of these majestic hunters of the sky. Thanks for watching.